just arrived in New York City.
Yeah.
We are here to see Kai. So the concert is tomorrow. So right now we're just chilling. We're going to explore New York and we're going to go get some pizza.
Let's do it, y'all.
Let's go. So we got our pizza and we just got classic pepperoni. I topped mine with crushed red pepper and garlic powder. So we're going to give it a try. So what are your thoughts on the pizza, love?
This is actually really good. Coming from someplace that also has their own pizza, like St. Louis style, it's really hard to top classic New York style pizza. It is really good.
What's up, BBs?
Hey.
All right, so for dinner tonight, we're going to one of our favorites that we haven't been to in a really long time, Dallas BBQ. They have some really great drinks, really great wings. We're ready to go back and have it again.
Let's go. What's up, BB?
What's up?
So we are outside of Dallas BBQ and we're about to go in and get some dinner.
Let's eat, y'all.
Let's go.
Alright guys, we had a great dinner at Dallas BBQ. Food was amazing. It was so good. Wings were super crispy and good. The barbecue sauce was really good. The barbecue that we had was really, really tasty, tender. So we're just gonna wrap it up for the night. Take it easy. Good night, BBs.
Night, BB. See you tomorrow. Good morning, BBs.
Good morning.
It is concert day.
Yeah.
So we are here in New York City to see Kai for the Kion concert in New York City.
Yeah, we are so ready to get in there, get it done. Let's see it. It's gonna be a great show.
It is. So we're about to get up, get some breakfast, and then we're gonna get ready. We'll catch you when we're all dressed up.
Let it be.
Bye. What's up, BB?
What's up?
So we are in Koreatown, and we are in front of Jongwon Barbecue. We're gonna get some Korean barbecue before the concert.
Let's get something to eat, y'all.
Let's go. What's up, BB?
What's up?
So we just left Kai's concert, Kai on tour, and we had an amazing time.
It was such a good show. He's always a great showman. He does his absolute best whenever he shows out. Absolutely.
And we're gonna head back to our hotel now, and I hope y'all have a wonderful night, BBs.
All right, we'll make sure to post plenty of pictures tonight, babies.
Bye. What's up, BBs?
What's going on, y'all?
So we are still feeling the after effects of Kai.
Oh, yeah.
But tonight is Sunday, and it's going to be the MTV Awards tonight, which is happening in New York. So we're doing a little sightseeing, hoping we can spot a couple celebrities. So we're going to hang out at Times Square.
Yeah, let's do it, y'all.
Let's do it.
BBs.
Good morning.
All right, so we are headed back home from our trip here in New York, seeing Kai, sitting here in LaGuardia Airport now. We had a really good time. New York treated us really well. We had some great food, saw some cool sights. Definitely worth a comeback at some point in time. See you soon, BBs.
See you next time.